ये ना बड़े स्वीट स्वीट प्यारे प्यारे फ्रेशर लगते हैं, इनको घर भेज देते हैं. I know at Welinker also, at SPJ in Bombay also, if you're too cute and too good like a 21-year-old, ये लगता थोड़ा जवान है, but they'll feel a son in you and try to convince you, बेटा अभी और पढ़ के आओ, तुम्हारा वर्क एक्सपीरियंस नहीं है, और convince us कि you're a great fresher. अब इसको convince करने को बोला कि 15 लाख तू तेरे को जॉब के बाद कैसा मिलेगा. So tell the entire story. How was it?
So initially I told him that what are my abilities, that what I have prepared initially, that I am flexible and I can work long hours, and also like I am adaptive to change and all the things. Then he said that it is not satisfactory.
Not satisfactory.
So
Okay.
then I again told him that I have taken part in NGO activities and people want good managers who are also socially responsible. Then he said again not satisfactory.
Okay.
Then he gave me a pen and paper and told me to write 5 reasons.
Okay.
I wrote 5 reasons. He told me to tell the reasons. I told all the 5. He said not satisfactory.
Okay.
Then he said that what was the package in your college. So I told him around 6-7 for finance people. So he told me that you should have rather gone for your undergraduate jobs
Jobs.
and taken up some work ex and then came.
पर उसने पूछा तेरे को जॉब वॉब मिला था नहीं मिला था क्या पैकेज?
No, he asked me that what was your average package. I told him 6-7.
6-7
So
also.
he told that you should have taken a work ex and then come.
That's the problem I was talking about. So you should have taken a work experience then come. ठीक है, but was he convinced a little bit?
I think he was just trying to grill me on this.
Okay.
But I tried to maintain my composure. Like I was consistent on saying that yes, I deserve it and I have planned it this way. So I will be executing it this way.
Okay.
Not giving in to his, he was trying to manipulate me, I think.
Great. Only one guy was there, or both
Yeah.
of them were?
No,
doing
only
the same
one
thing?
was saying that.
Same thing.
And the other lady, I think she was from she was a microeconomics lecturer.
Okay.
So when that guy stopped with all this, she just asked me that, have you studied microeconomics?
Okay.
I told her yes. And then actually we studied in our first semester of first year. So it's been 4 years, almost 3 to 4 years.
अच्छा.
And she started asking me like complicated questions. What is ISLM curve? Then what is governance cost?
अच्छा.
What is transaction cost? Although I told transaction governance cost.
Yeah.
But there was one more question, why do markets fail?
Right.
What are the concrete 4 reasons? I told her that I can tell you from what I remember, but she
Yeah.
wanted concrete 4 reasons.
Right.
She said that there are not many reasons, only 4 reasons.
Okay.
So I said that I might not be able to give the exact answer, so she said then skip it.
Let's keep it. Okay. That was towards the end.
Yeah, almost, yeah.
Almost. Okay. तो हाँ ये सर.
Then there were 2 more concepts which I think that they might have been teaching in MBA, but we didn't study it at all in our college. So I told her that we haven't studied it. So her reaction was like, oh, you haven't studied it.
Okay. Yeah, that's the
But
problem.
that was honest.
That was honest. Yeah. Even if you go to best college, तेरे तो CGPA वगैरह भी college में अच्छा था ना?
Yeah, it was 3.46. I also got a merit certificate from.
You got a merit certificate, but yeah, when you do an MBA, the same subject the teacher taught much more in detail, and if she was a professor, so everyone who is listening to me and Ninad right now, they can get you grading in a subject. तो इसका safe answer रहता है, अगर तेरा वो subject favorite subject में नहीं है और नहीं पढ़ा हुआ, तो सीधा क्लियरली बोलने का. माइक्रोफाइनेंस आता है, सीधा हाँ जी मैनू आंदा है, नहीं बोलने का. उसको बोलने का सर आई रेड इट इन माय फर्स्ट ईयर, दो इट वाज नॉट वन ऑफ माय फेवरेट्स. माय फेवरेट्स वर 1 or 2, whatever you thought about. What is it?
So
those
that
are बड़े
is
होंगे.
safe to go.
Yeah, of course, else she's in the driver's seat. Don't ever let your interview analyst go out of the driver's seat. I always say, drive your interview the way you want to be. Great, but overall experience was good. फिर जाते समय तेरे को बाय बाय किया उन्होंने?
No.
Bye-bye
They just said that's it.
They just said that's it. Okay.
I had to
So
walk out.
normally जब that's it chances होते हैं तो ऐसा होता है कि भाई तुम्हारा या तो पक्का मेकिंग होता है और ये डायरेक्टली हेट यू. दोनों में से एक ऑप्शन होते हैं. But Ninad is 97 percentile in his CAT and he's got SPJ in Bombay, MBA Gurgaon, New calls. और कुछ है तेरे पास?
Cozy.
And Kozhikode call. So all the best, Ninad. Thank you for your time. And if you guys have any questions, do reply. And I am sure he's going to make it for sure. और मैं नीचे comment करूँगा when he makes it और जब इसका interview selection पे आएगा, I'll tell you what college it is. Congrats man.
Thank you, sir.
Great.